Only members with role level supervisor or higher will be able to access the contracts page. This page will show you all of the contracts, open and closed, that you have across all of your assigned clients. It will show you the contract name, the start date, the end date, and which client the contract is assigned to. You can create a new contract by clicking on the Create button at the top right. When creating a new contract, you will need to name the contract and give it a start date. If an end date is known, then that information can be filled out below the start date. If there is no end date specified, then you can click on the End List toggle to remove the end date. Next, you can assign which client this contract would fall under. Finally, you can select what temperature units this contract will use. Once all of the information is entered, click on the Create button at the bottom right of the screen. You can edit contracts by clicking on the Edit button to the right. On this page, you can change the contract's name, the start date, the end date, the client assignment, and the temperature units. Once you make any changes, be sure to click the Save button at the bottom right to apply those changes. At the bottom of the page is Default Meta Fields. These fields will be auto-populated with the data entered when making a report for that client or contract. Meta fields will be displayed along the right side of the page of your final report. Key is where you would enter the title, and value is where you would enter the information that corresponds to that title. You can have up to 10 meta fields on a report. You can add more meta fields by filling out the Add New Field boxes. Click on the Add button when you are done. To delete a field, click on the trash can icon next to the field you want to delete. If you want to make any changes to the meta fields already created, be sure to click the Update button at the bottom to save those changes. You can delete contracts by clicking the Delete button to the right. When you click on the Delete button next to a contract, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete that contract. Click Delete if you are sure that you would like to delete that contract.